So happy morning, children.
Happy morning, sir. Happy morning, sir.
So,
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So, you're solving a quadratic equation by completing square. Okay, and I think you have done the exercise, and I have given some assignment. Some of you have shown me that. Today we shall learn another method of completing square only. Okay, some steps that we learned in completing square method, and then we shall go for another method of completing square. Okay, now let me present the screen. I am presenting the screen now. Okay, so completing square method. I think it is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
completing square method. Yesterday we learned about method 1, in which suppose we were given one equation like this. First, what we had done, we had divided the polynomial. In the first step, we divided the polynomial by a. Okay, in the first step, we had divided the polynomial by a. Then we had proceeded further. Today, we shall learn another method in which we shall not go for division. We shall multiply the polynomial by 4a. Okay. Now we shall multiply the polynomial. This was the method 1 that we learned yesterday. Today we shall learn the second method.
Sir, you have written x square by a.
Ax square by a. We had divided it by ax square by a. Okay, and today we shall learn method 2 of completing square. Let us take the same equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and now we shall multiply it by 4a. Okay, we shall multiply by 4a. Okay, now it is 4a square plus, so students are joining late, it should not be late in the class. 4a square plus 4abx plus 4ac equal to 0. Okay, we have
सर
multiplied
वो
the
और ए स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर होगा ना, एक
4,
4 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है.
sorry, this is 4a square x square. Very good. 4a square x square plus 4abx plus 4ac equal to 0. And you see 4a square x square, it is the square of which term?
2x.
Very good. So it is the square of 2ax. And our purpose is to find some square, complete the square. That means we are searching for square terms. Right? So, and We want either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Now, what we have in a plus b whole square, we have a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now, this is suppose a. Okay. We have got a square part. Now, from here, someone else has started presenting. बीच में कोई प्रेजेंट स्क्रीन नहीं कर दो ना बच्चों, बार बार मना करता हूँ। बीच में प्रेजेंट स्क्रीन करने से मेरा स्क्रीन चला जाता है। अब मेरा स्क्रीन दिखाई दिया?
Yes, sir.
So a square part we have got already. Then we want to find 2ab part here. Okay. Now we shall write 2. A already we have got 2ax. This is the a part. And what we want? B part. So 2 into 2, 4ax. You see 4ax. 4ax. So what remains? Only b. Now we shall add the square of this part, b square, and again subtract it minus b square. Okay. Now,
Sir?
yes,
Sir, is this the another method of deriving quadratic formula?
yes. It is another method of deriving quadratic formula. Also, we can say it is another method of completing square. Okay. While completing the square, we are actually deriving the quadratic formula. And after this completing square, we shall learn how to use quadratic formula directly. So today we are learning completing square method, and in that we are learning the second method. Okay. So it is 0. Now you see we have got a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So it is 2ax plus b whole square. Okay, from here we got 2ax plus b whole square. And what we have now left? B square plus minus b square plus 4ac. And this is equal to 2ax plus b whole square. We will take the rest part to right side. B square minus 4ac. And we have now 2ax plus b equal to plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. And then 2ax equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. And this gives us x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. Actually, in the latter part, tomorrow when we shall go for quadratic formula, we shall learn this as quadratic formula. We have already derived that. But now I am showing you how to complete a square. Here we have completed the square. This is why we call it completing square method. And when we are given one equation, we have to follow the same steps that I have followed. Okay. And you have learned now two methods. Yesterday we learned it by dividing by a. In the first step we divided by a. Today we learned the method in which we multiplied by 4a. Whichever is easier for you, you can apply that method. Okay, and as for the questions, there may be slight differences in which we can make it very easy also. And let me take one example now. Let us take one equation, 5x squared minus 6x minus 2 equal to 0. Now, we shall try to solve this equation by completing square. Here, we have a equal to 5. That means if we have a equal to 5, we want to multiply it by 4a, that is 20. So, we shall multiply the whole equation by 20. Now, 20 into 5, it is 100 x square minus 20 into 6, that is 120 x minus 20 into 2, that is 40 equal to 0. And 100 x square means it is the square of 100 x square means it is the square of which term? Anyone? 100 x square is the square of Satpat. Tell me. 100 x square is square of 10x. Okay. Soumya Ambari has written in chat box 10x. Okay, very good. So 10x whole square. So we got the A part. You always keep in mind that you are searching for a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Okay. Now 10x square. Then we shall take 2 here. 2 into 10x. Okay. So 2 into 10 is 20x and 20 into 6 is 120. So we shall take 6. Now we shall add and subtract the square of 6. Okay. That is 6 square minus 6 square minus 40 equal to 0. So we got here we have a equal to 10x, b equal to 6. So it is 10x. And here you see we have minus. That means 10x minus 6 whole square. Right? Here we got a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So 10x minus 6 whole square. And what we are left with? We are left with minus 6 square minus 6 square minus 40, that is equal to 0. That means 10x minus 6 whole square minus 36 minus 40 equal to 0. This gives us 10x minus 6 whole square minus 76 equal to 0. That means 10x minus 6 whole square equal to 76. And then we have 10x minus 6 equal to plus or minus square root of 76. What is the square root of 76? Who can tell? Try it. What is the square root of 76?
minus 2 root 19.
Very good. 19. Tell again.
Plus or minus 2 root 19.
Very good. So it is plus or minus 2 square root of 19. Okay. 2 square root of 2 is 4. Root of and square of root 19 is 19. So 4 into 19 gives 76. So square root of 76 is 2 plus or minus 2 root 19. That means 10x equal to 6 plus or minus 2 square root of 19. And x equal to 6 plus or minus 2 square root of 19 divided by 10. In the numerator side, you can take 2 as common. It gives 3 plus or minus square root of 19 divided by 10. And that is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 19 by 5. So what are the two roots? So roots are 3 plus square root of 19 by 5 and 3 minus square root of 19 by 5. So in this way we have found the root of quadratic equation by completing square. And in this method we have multiplied the whole equation by 4a. Okay. Now let us take another example. We shall on a question 3x square plus 11x plus 10. 3x square plus 11x plus 10 equal to 0. Now we shall solve this by using the method of completing square. Here a equal to 3. That means 4a equal to 12. So we shall multiply the equation by 12. So 12 into 3, that is 36x square. 12 into 12, we have to multiply 12 by 11. And what is the answer? 12 into 11 is, who can say?
152.
12 into 11 is? Quick. What?
132.
No. Yes. 132x and 12 into 10 is 120. That is equal to 0. Do you remember I told you how to multiply with 11 easily? When we multiply any number by 11, how can we do it?
Yes,
I
sir.
told you in previous class. Do you remember? Those who don't remember,
Yes,
just
sir.
I tell you again. When you want to multiply any number by 11, just write this number, this ones place, then 1 plus 2, 3, then this 1. So 132. Always remember the shortcut formula that I am taking you in classes, so that it will be easy for you to do calculations, because this year you will get more bigger calculations actually, which will take consume your time. So if you don't learn shortcut tricks, then you will not be able to complete your exam in time. Okay. So now we have already multiplied this by 12. Now in the first term we have 36x square, that is 6x whole square, plus 2 into 6x. So 2 into 6 is 12 into 11. Also you see 2 into 6, 12 into 11 is 32. Also you see b is there directly. If you put directly b here, then also you will get the same thing. So 11 square minus 11 square plus 120, 0. That means 6x plus 11 whole square minus 11 square plus 120 equal to 0. Now we have already completed a square. So 6x plus 11 whole square and minus 11 square. 11 square is go tell what is 11 square.
Sir, 121.
Okay, good. 121. So minus 121 plus 120, that is equal to 0. Imply that 6x plus 11 whole square minus 1 equal to 0. That means 6x plus 11 whole square equal to 1. So we have 6x plus 11 equal to plus or minus square root of 1, that is equal to plus or minus 1. Now we shall get 6x equal to minus 11 plus or minus 1 and x equal to minus 11 plus or minus 1 by 6, that is equal to minus 11 plus 1 by 6 or minus 11 minus 1 by 6. So minus 11 plus 1, that is minus 10 by 6 or minus 12 by 6. So answer is minus 5 by 3 or minus 2. So we got the roots of equation, and roots are minus 5 by 3 and minus 2. So hope you have understood how to use the formula of completing square. Now let's take another example. X square minus x square plus 5x plus 6. You see, this is this we had already done in our first class. Here the coefficient is 1. That means we shall multiply it by which term? 4. We have to multiply it by 4. Okay. So if I multiply it by 4, we have 4x square minus plus 20x plus 24 equal to 0. Okay. And you can do now. So 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 5 plus 5 square minus 5 square plus 24 equal to 0. And we have 2x plus 5 whole square minus 25 plus 24 equal to 0. That means 2x plus 5 whole square minus 1 equal to 0. So 2x plus 5 whole square equal to 1. So 2x plus 5 equal to square root of plus or minus square root of 1, that is equal to plus or minus 1. So 2x equal to minus 5 plus or minus 1, that is minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4 or minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. So x equal to minus 4 by 2 or minus 6 by 2, that is equal to minus 2 or minus 3. You may remember we got the same answer when we had done it by factorization method. So hope you have understood. All of you understood how to do this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am giving you one question and you solve it by completing square method. Okay. I am giving 3x square minus 2 root 6 x plus 2 equal to 0. You solve it by completing square method and write your answer in the chat section.